guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I have an unboxing from Tea, Pray, Love. This is a subscription box that comes every 2 months, and it includes tea, a journal or a book, some cruelty-free skincare products, and 2 to 3 surprise goodies. So when you sign up, you get to pick what type of tea, either green, black, herbal, or white, and then you pick your skin type, dry, normal, combination, oily, or sensitive. Now this is the May Premier box, which is $39.95. They also do have a Petite Box that's $29.95. And if you don't like tea, they have one that has coffee in it as well. So super cool. And I'll put a promo code below. It's Mama Mittens 10, and you get 10% off your subscription with that code. Let's take a look at what's inside. So far, very pretty packaging. Here's a pamphlet. Tells you about the May items. So if you got the, okay, so here's what comes in the regular box, probably the Petite one. And then if you get the Premier one, some added stuff. And then instead of tea, coffee boxes contain, and then it tells you about that. So I'll show that again at the end. Let's dig in. This must be the skincare items. Wrapped very nicely so that they won't get damaged. This is cute. So the first thing is Ultra Night Serum. Dirty Lamb is the company. That's cute. It says it contains oils to keep your skin hydrated. Very cool. And then along with that, ooh, Collective Harmony Co. Peach Magnolia, hand-poured soy candle. Peach nectar, magnolia, pineapple, spring floral, and smooth woods. This is the cutest little jar. I've never seen a little mason jar that small. Ooh, that smells nice. I like that, that's cute. We also have, here's our tea. Ahmed Tea London Dessert Infusions, Cacao and Honey Truffle. And there's 15 leaf pyramid bags in there. Nice. And we have a matcha detoxifying clay mask. Use 2 to 3 times a week, normal to oily skin. That's awesome. I love that this is like a tea subscription but comes with all these other goodies. Crystal Glow Hydrogel Eye Mask. Those are always fun. And then, I think this is the last thing in the box. Looks like we have some bookmarks with some quotes on them. Super cute. And then the book is The Feel Good Effect. Reclaim your wellness by finding small shifts that create big change. I love this. This is so cute. So that's what came in the Premier box. So we got a book, some tea, a candle, some face oil, a face mask, and then a matcha mask and some bookmarks. Very adorable. I almost forgot to show you the inside of here now that we've seen the products. So it shows you the values of them. So it was $6 for the tea that we got, and it tells you the difference in prices between the Petite and the Premier. The Dirty Lamb Night Serum, $52 value. The face mask, $7. The candle, $5. Up here we have the other eye mask for $8.99, and then the book, $17. And if you got the coffee one instead, there's the coffee that they sent. And like I said, they do have a smaller box if you're interested, and one that comes with coffee instead of tea. Super cool. I will put all their information below in the description box, and don't forget that promo code if you want to check them out. And as always, thank you so much for watching. Bye guys.